Hello students, good morning all of you. In this chapter we are going to learn about linking the letters in cursive writing. So when you link a letter to the another letter, we should always remember that the beginning stroke and the ending stroke must be written very well. The ending stroke of the first letter must be linked properly to the beginning stroke of the next letter. Let us explore this. First one is take A linking with another A. This is how we write A, as we've already seen in the previous videos, and the ending stroke, and this takes another A like this. Next B touches here and take this stroke and write another B. Next comes C and this takes another C. D, ending stroke of D should go with the another one. E and E. F comes a little bit down and again the next one. So F, the ending stroke of F should come down to connect with the next one. Next we go to G. This is how we write Z and another Z. So when you write the letter G, the ending stroke must bend a little forward like this. H and next H. I and next put the dots. Z, bend it here and then write another Z. K, L, like this. Next comes M, beginning stroke, and then next letter comes like this. So there should be a deviation here and here. N, and then again write another N. If you don't write properly these two N's, they may appear like M. O, put it a little bit down and then write the another O. P, lower join letter and another P. Q and another Q like this. R, another R. S, slanty line and then again another slanty line, ending stroke. T, first write two L's like and then give the horizontal line. U and the U. V, W, take this stroke a little bit down and then write and the W. X, Y, Z. This letter Z and Y we have to bend a little bit downwards so as we can make this letter U shape can be easily written, and in Z also, and as well as we can find the same in J also. Okay. Now we see how we can link different letters while writing different words. Let us begin with small words. See here, dear children, A. So always hold the pen at the grip. Okay, A. And from this N. And from this T. Okay, next B. E. A. U. T. I. F. U. L. Now T line and as well as I dot must be given at the end, not in the middle, because we should not leave the pen in the middle. Next one is C. A. M. E. L. Here, dear students, please do remember, all of you, the gap between each and every word must be same. Then the letters look very beautiful. As a whole, the word looks beautiful. Next comes the letter D. We write a word with D. D. A. N. Z. E. R. Sometimes you have to lift your hand also. Elephant. E. L. E. P. H. A. N. T. Elephant. F. A. Bend it down a little bit. The ending stroke F. M. I. L. Y. Now the dot for the I should be put at the end of the word. Next, Z. O. D. Here see the ending stroke is bent a little bit because O starts from the bottom. Next one is H. A. N. D. Hand. The children, please do remember, when you practice the words, linking of the words, you practice small words. Take 3-letter words, so you feel the ease in learning that. Next, J. U. N. G. L. E. Dot. Put the dot at the end. Next, K. I. N. G. King. L. A. N. G. U. A. G. E. Language. M. A. N. G. O. Mango. Next one is, we write the word with N. N. A. T. U. R. E. Put the horizontal line at the end. O. R. A. N. Z. and E. Orange. Write with P. P. A. R. Another R. O. T. Parrot. The children, please do remember, when you are practicing, give importance to the accuracy, not to speed. When you write quickly or when you write keeping in mind filling the pages, it is very difficult to learn handwriting, because handwriting is not your hands writing, It is the brain that makes your hand that writes. Okay. Next one is Q. Q U E S T, quest. R E Q U E S and T. S I T U A T I O N. I dot T dash T dash I dot should be given at the end. So is T E M P L E, temple. U M B R E L L A, umbrella. Is V A L U E, value. W, then O N D E R F U L L Y. Wonderfully. X E R O X, Xerox. Y E L L O W, yellow. Z E B R A. So this is how we write the words using the cursive letters. Linking is very important. The first one is linking, the second one is proper gapping, and the third one is the size of the letter. If you keep all these things in mind, definitely your handwriting becomes beautiful. Children, if you like this video, share this to your friends and also subscribe for the latest videos. Thank you. Bye bye.